In this video, we're gonna talk about rate. This is for secondary schools. I take from singly questions. And what is rate? Rate is something we see usually in daily. For example, speed, kilometer per hour. We see in the car. We also see like a dollar per tomatoes, or maybe in taxi. We learn about dollar per kilometer. This is all rate, so we're gonna talk about this in these questions. Let's try it. A plasma TV set is priced at $1,300. So he buy the TV set with the higher purchase with the following terms, and the deposit will be 25% of the 1,300, which is 3 to 5. Yeah. And what is the monthly installment? The monthly installment is okay, yeah. So we know the remaining is 975, yeah. And then the interest is 18% times 175, yeah. So this is the remaining. And then we times it by 2 karena 2 years, okay? Because 2 years. So $351 is the interest, yeah. And this is 24 months. So how many monthly installment? The monthly installment, we add them and we get 1326 divided by 24, which is 5525. And the total amount he has to pay, we just add them all, which is this, yeah. And how much more is 351, and that's the answer. In this story, American tourist travel to Singapore. He has 5,400 US dollar, and then he want to convert to Singaporean dollar, and with the conversion rate like this. And then after that, he use up some Singaporean dollar, yeah, and then he convert back to pound sterling at the end, okay, yeah. So at first he have this much 5,400 divided by 1.59, which is we convert to pound sterling first, and then we times 2.02 to make it US dollar, okay, yeah, Sing dollar, I mean, yeah. So we have this much Sing dollar, yeah, and he used up 4,500, which is this much he has left, yeah, and then he convert back to pound sterling. So we divide by 1.94 since this is the conversion rate, yeah, and we get this much pound sterling, and that's the answer. Mr. John earned a gross annual income which is 56,000. However, he is not paying all the tax. Some of them he can relieve. Okay, yeah. So 56,000 is his income. So he have personal relief which is 1,000, one spouse, one child, and one parent relief. Yeah, because he's not staying with parents, and other relief. Yeah. So in total he only have 37,500 for the tax. Okay, yeah. However, first 30,000 he need to pay $200 tax, yeah, and 3.5% for the next 10,000. So the rest is 7,500, and we count that, and that is 262.5, okay, yeah, and we add them. This is the tax. What is the percentage of tax of his income? So 460.5 divided by the total taxable income times 100%, which is 1.23%, which is 1%, and that's the answer. A hi-fi system is priced as follows: this much, yeah. The total cash price of this hi-fi system, just add them all, easy, yeah. We add them all, we get 1,820. So this system can be bought with higher purchase with 20% of the deposit, and the remaining you get credit charge of 12%. Okay, yeah. So 20% is 364, yeah, and the remaining is we minus them, we get 1456, and the charge is 12% of the remaining, which is 12% of 1456, yeah, which is that much, yeah, 0.72. Okay, yeah. And then we find the monthly payment, so we add the remaining, okay, plus charge, yeah, divide by 12, we get this much is the monthly payment, yeah, and then the total hire purchase, we just add them all, we get 104.72, and that's the answer, yeah. And then in a sale, the price ada get the amplifier 10%, MP3 player 5%, speaker reduced by 3%. So this, and this is the real price, okay, yeah. We add them all, we get this is the total price, okay, yeah, and that's the answer.